Hey guys, welcome to Naughty Devil Creations. Hey guys, so I just want to make sure that everybody out there is okay and they're safe and yeah, so social distancing and all that, washing your hands and don't get sick. We don't need any of you getting sick out there. So I'm still working because people still need to eat. So my industry has gotten slow, but we're still working. So yay for me. Still got work. So today we're going to do something a little different. I'm a nerd. I've probably said that a couple times. But I play a game called World of Warcraft, and I play on the Alliance side. I'm a good guy, not one of those dirty hordes. So today, I'm making a sticker. This is a prototype one, and it's dual color. We're going to do it on the Cricut. Yes, I have a Cricut, and if you don't have a Cricut and you're a woodworker, you might want to look into it because you know you can cut veneer and wood, and you can etch metal, little metal plaques. It's actually a pretty cool little tool. And on top of it, you can make these vinyls to where you can do like those stickers, like on the sign that the foreman did. So, God, I don't know how you vloggers do this. This thing's getting heavy. Anyway, felt like I was eating it. Anyway, alright. We're just going to kind of show you me making this. I'm not going to like go in depth. There's tons and tons of people that have videos making and showing you how to make these. I'm just showing you what I'm doing to occupy myself because we can't go out, we can't run around, we can't go do a whole bunch of other stuff. So this is how I've been occupying my time, is making things on the Cricut. So, yeah, let's get to the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you here after we do the little fast forward thing that I always do. Okay guys, so just a couple little blanks. I knew I wasn't going to say anything. Got my Cricut green pad, standard grip, blah blah blah. Burishing tool. The weeding tool. What a cool name for a tool. Weeding tool. And then this is what I cut my vinyl with. It's like a little thing, and it has like a cut thing. Alright, anyway. So, here's the design on the computer. Here's the Cricut. Again, if you guys don't have a Cricut and you're a woodworker, look into it. It's kind of a cool little thing. So I will be doing some veneer at one point here soon. So, yeah. So as soon as I know how well that works, we'll do a video cutting veneer on here and doing some inlays. Alright, now we're going to fast forward. Okay guys, I'm going to actually back out of this, hit cancel, so you guys can kind of see this. Cancel, yes, I wish to cancel. Okay, so here's the, you're going to get to this, let's hit cancel out of this, okay. So you're going to have this. When you click on this, you need to have that on cut up top. And then you're going to come all the way over here. You're going to hit make it. With the vinyl, just make sure it's a 12 by 12 sheet. Yes. Continue. We're not mirroring, so it's going to say 12 by 12 matte. Mirror off. Okay. And then we're going to hit vinyl. It's going to ask you. I always put more because it seems to cut better. And then you're going to go and follow the directions of what it says. You put that in like we just did, and then we hit the button. It loads it, reads it, does everything it's supposed to, and then this thing's so top heavy. And then we hit the Cricut button, and then it does its thing back and forth, and it cuts it. Another angle for you guys. There you go. I don't know, it's magic. Okay guys, you probably can't see it. I don't know, I'm trying to get that sun coming in from the window to hit it. But it's cut out, so we're going to burnish it. So I do it like this. If not, it seems like these things will kind of sometimes leave marks in your vinyl. So just kind of press it into the paper really good. Just like that. Alright. Boom. Now, let's grab the blue one real quick. I already did the burnishing on the blue one. Set that there. So, we know, I didn't bring the other sticker back up. We know that we want the big areas in the outline to be blue. So we're going to take all the parts of the lion's face and the other parts. So we're leaving the big blue area, and you can just come in with this weeding tool and you pop this out like that. Bob's your uncle. And then you go through and do all that. So let's fast forward again, and yeah. Okay, so you remember I told you about these little diamonds? That's how I can line this up. If you guys saw it, I don't know, maybe I'll slow it down so you can see my fingernail just flick that one off. Got right underneath it, popped it up. So other than that, looks really good. So we'll go ahead and weed this one, and yeah, we'll put them together and I'll show you the end. Alright guys, so we got transfer paper that we're going to try to peel with my big sausage fingers. Not very easy for me some days to peel things. Or at all, I guess. I can't really seem to get it there. I can feel it separating, but I can't get it to separate. Awesome. That's perfect when that happens. You can feel it doing it, but it won't do it for you. There we go. Got it. Look at that. All right. So we're going to get the first one. And let's move this one out of the way. Get out of here. Let's save this. And then we'll stick this right over it. I don't know where that is, but there, it's far enough out of the way. It's not gonna bother me. Must have been one of the little snips of that. So then we burnish our vinyl. Now this is permanent vinyl. There is other, it's removable vinyl you can get. So if you want to make something like this, this would be pretty intricate for removable, because as soon as you pulled that thing off, it's not going to want to ever go back together correctly. But if you're doing like the Horde emblem, very, very doable. I think it'd be very doable. So sticking to? Oh, the paper itself is sticking to it right there. Okay. So now, as you see, we got that just like that. And we put this down. Thank you for being staticky. And then this is the hard part. Is you got to line your indicator to it, and it is very staticky because I can actually see it lifting. See that? It's actually lifting the paper. So, yay. We'll try to do it this way. We'll roll it back a little. Let's see if we can get our diamond lined up. Pretty damn close right there, but not close enough. Let's try that. And ta-da! Just let it do its thing. And we just lay it across. And the fun part, look at that. So these two little ones, they moved, so we just got rid of those. But that turned out absolutely stellar. Look at that. All right, that makes me really happy. And then we just peel this one off. Probably could just leave it. And then we grab our piece for this, throw that down. And then we can cut it out just like this. And ta-da! Look at that. Custom sticker, 2 colors. I don't know, that's pretty cool. If you guys have any questions, just send me something in the comment section. it looks really hard, and if you miss that indicators that are on here, that's why I put 2 of them, just for what happened, and I knocked that one off. So you can see it's just sitting right there. I mean, but you know, Bob's your uncle. Look at that. That's what we're trying to do. If you guys like this, give it a thumbs up, like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share it with everybody you know. It's not like, yeah, we're going out and doing things right now. So, binge watch Nutty Devil. Thank you, KD Universe. I will catch you guys here in a few days because it's not like we have a lot going on. All right. Oh yeah, veneer. You want to see veneer on the Cricut? Let me know, and we'll do it. All right. Bye, guys.